Hello, Friday is here, May 17th, 2024. Jason Shapiro, Credit Market Report. So today was pretty quiet on the equity front, although S&Ps did finish up on the day. Dow did finish up. Nasdaq was a little weaker. Clearly, this is all going to be about NVIDIA now, which I believe is next Wednesday. That's going to be the big equity news coming up. We'll see how it plays out. I know that NVIDIA, the last two or maybe three times failed on earnings days and had reversal day on good earnings days. So it's a good chance people think that's going to happen again, and maybe they'll try to short it in front of that. And if they do, then they'll probably get their faces ripped off when the earnings come out. But, let's see how that all happens. I certainly wouldn't be looking to short stocks in front of it. But as for the rest of it, wow. I think that the narrative, choose your narrative, but the one that's working, is one that I did make a video of a couple months ago. I think it was March 7th. It's on YouTube, speaking about how interest rates are just too damn low. And the Fed continues to, well, they're not saying they're cutting rates. Everybody else is. They keep saying they're going to be waiting and probably higher for longer. But to me, they're too low, and the proof is in the pudding. I mean, we had gold go up today, $35, new highs. We had silver go up today, 5.5%. Like, I'm sorry, over almost 6.5%. On silver today, right? We had copper go up, new highs, right? Sorry, that's the copper chart, right? Up over 4% today. This is not tight financial conditions. Okay? This is loose financial conditions. And if you think that the Fed is cutting rates into this, I'm going to tell you you're insane. And if they do it, then they're insane. There was a quote today from one of the Fed speakers saying, Fed Governor Bowman said on Friday that she would be willing to back a higher, while the current stance of monetary policy appears to be at restrictive level. Restrictive level. What is it restricting? It certainly ain't restricting the price of gold, silver, copper, and it certainly ain't restricting the growth in the economy. I don't know what the hell's restrictive about it, okay? I think these people are crazy. And I think that they know, personally, I think they know that they have to keep inflation expectations down, because if inflation expectations get out of control, we got a problem. And that problem's going to occur anyway, okay? But for now, people are buying into it. They're buying stocks. They're still probably a little bit underweight stocks, and they're putting money to work. And they're putting money to work in the other assets. There ain't no restrictiveness going on here, right? The dollar today tried to rally and failed, okay? Despite the fact that interest rates were up some, right? So the hero to me was this British pound, which made a new high today. And we're now getting to a point where shorts are starting to get squeezed, right? Because it was down in the morning and just came right back for no reason, right? That's been the best performer. Aussie the same. Swiss still does not perform well, which doesn't allow me to get long it. But the euro did okay today. Canada did okay today. So I think that if and when this Fed thing does break, it's going to first show up in the dollar. I'm glad that that's where my positioning is, because it's already starting to work, which is great. Rather than try and think, oh, this is what I think is going to happen, so I'm going to put the position on. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to put more on. No, it's starting to work, so I'm with it, right? I'm with the ones that are working. But this whole thing about the Fed, it could take forever, to play out. So you don't trade it. It's just something to keep in the back of your mind, I think. So anyway, those are my thoughts for today. I will be doing weekly videos from this point on that will be on YouTube that I hope everybody will enjoy. And I wish everybody a nice weekend. Get some rest. Spend time with the people that you care about. Do things that you like to do. And put this stuff out of your mind until, Sunday night / Monday morning. Okay, thanks, and enjoy your weekend.